finished another traveler's notebook insert. Oh my goodness. I feel like I did this one pretty fast, but I didn't use it very often. It just filled up really fast. Maybe it has less pages because this is one of the notebooks from Webster's Pages, and I was working in the Midori, or the Traveler's Company inserts. But this is my 4th insert. I think I have a flip through of the other 3. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have it linked in the description. But I just put lots of like fun stickers, and I tried to do like number 4 stickers on it. Let's see, like 4, 4, and just random like stickers from sticker books and trips. In the back is my absolute favorite because it has Chris Stapleton and Drake White. I love Chris Stapleton, so this is one of my favorites. And it's held together with a rubber band because it is very thick, and it's starting to fall apart. So let's flip through. I have fortune cookies, and I kind of wanted to make this whole thing, a whole column of them, but I haven't eaten as many fortune cookies lately, so I'm missing a few. I'll probably finish that, hopefully, at some point. But I thought I would flip through because all the actual pages are done. A picture of my aunt and my cousin, and just kind of a little quote that I liked about journaling and living. I drew out my packing list for a little road trip we were gonna go on. It turned into, it was just supposed to be the weekend, but it turned into like 5 days. So it was really fun trip that we went on. I drew this and watercolored it, and then pictures and business cards. I just kind of kept a list of what we did and where we were, and stickers from breweries and stuff. This is just our names written in the sand, but we try and do it like wherever we go now, like the beach or the snow. This is what I drew, the sign to the hotel. I just have to finish it. There's pictures on the back and a bookmark. It was a really fun trip. Lots of stickers and just pieces from places that we went. Napkins and coasters and like receipts. I drew and watercolored that. This is just from a magazine, and I did some journaling. Little pieces from the day and pictures. Tickets from a comedy show. Movie tickets. We went to see Spider-Man, and I wore my Spider-Man shirt. Tickets from the state fair and wristbands and pictures. Pictures from the lake. This was out of a Flow magazine, and it had a bunch of different artists and a little bio on the artists. So I just tipped it in, and I've got more pictures and stickers and journaling. A list of YouTube videos that I wanted to do, and a calendar because I had them all scheduled out. I drew this, and then it kind of, the back bled through, so it wasn't the best lettering to begin with, and then it bled through, so it kind of got ruined. But oh well, it's just a journal. This is when I got LASIK, just the business card and a little picture of the doctor. A business card, a little tip-in, movie ticket, a napkin, and just little cutouts from a magazine. All the Starbucks like labels from the cups. A collection. And then a little trip my cousin and I took to San Francisco, and it has a clear pocket with some business cards, and I just journaled like this is where we went to lunch. These were from shops that we saw, and it was so much fun. A map of the park we went to and pictures from the park, and washi tape and pictures and journaling about the fun day. Tickets and journaling cards and pictures from fun stuff. This is like one of my least favorite looking pages, but it was the best ever because it was Chris Stapleton, and I just have my tickets and the wristbands and a picture of the stage. It just looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness, this page is not done. I think I have pictures from this community service day that I need to print out in the family reunion. So that'll just be big pictures here, and I'll probably add washi tape. Whoops, that page is not done. This is the little pamphlet that came when my passport arrived. So I was excited. Stickers and pictures of my puppy. This is the Alice in Wonderland dance event that I went to. So this was like the pamphlet and part of the table setting. And pictures. Just a lot of stuff pasted in. I wanted to do more journaling, kind of. That's why it was journaling and drawing kind of at the front. And then it just went to stuff and pictures. But I don't really mind. It's fine. I still love it. The Starbucks koozie. They're not koozies. They're the hand protector things. And quotes and pictures from Christmas. I still want to add some stickers or something here. This just is a little tidbit. This is the Christmas tree on the cruise. And I thought these eyes were really pretty in a magazine, so I just tore it out. And then I was really obsessed with lashes, so I got lashes. A little envelope, and it had the ticket from this tango event and the parking pass, and then just a business card from a friend I ran into. And this was our Thanksgiving road trip to Oregon. A little magazine that they just have in the gas stations that are free, and lots of little cutouts from business cards and pamphlets and newspapers. I printed these pictures out on my computer and they did not turn out very well, so they're smearing and I have to redo them or just live with it. And I've just been living with it, but it kind of doesn't do justice to the photos. And little cutouts from breweries we went to and pictures of all the lakes and forests. We love it up in Oregon. And these is just a lot of receipts and wristbands and tags, little pieces of paper from all the different breweries, and I just pasted it down, covered it with paint, and then added this little quote. And it says, "Not all girls are made of sugar, spice, and everything nice. Some girls are made of adventure, fine beer, brains, and no fear." So that was kind of cute because we went to a lot of breweries and had a lot of really good beer. We were on an Oregon adventure, and no fear. Fearless is my word of the year for 2018. Pictures from our Oregon trip, and just a little pocket. And a little tab here, and it kind of starts our Christmas cruise, so I didn't really do much journaling between Thanksgiving and Christmas. I was just so busy. And I didn't do anything for Halloween, really. It was just a really busy second half of the year. But just tickets and stickers, and wrote about our Christmas cruise. I think I have a process video for some of these last pages. I was just trying to finish up the last few pages yesterday. And a little tag with butterflies, and this is from a magazine. I just really liked the desk space. A little umbrella. This was from our cruise. It's just a picture of my boyfriend and I. Our pictures didn't turn out very good, so this was the best one. And it wasn't very good, but I love it, and it's really cute. So I just took the whole thing with that picture. And stuff from our cruise, and pictures, and our holiday Christmas card from work, and pictures from the cruise, and lots of stuff in here, like the beach we went to. I journaled about it. The best bar on the cruise, they gave out little handwritten notes, our little cruise key, and a peso. That's just in this little pocket with a beach picture and lots of little cutouts and stickers. The cutouts are from all the cruise pamphlets that they give you, and just maps of the town and little things that you pick up when you're traveling. Pictures from the cruise and stickers and ephemera. This one I was just lazy and put our boarding passes in there. And pictures from our cruise. I kind of wrote about them a little bit. Just wanted to finish this page. I really wanted to finish this book, so I've been working at it this weekend. Little sushi wrappers, because I finally got to go to my boyfriend's favorite sushi place, and just journaling. This one is fun. It's another thing where I just collected all of the different tags and pieces of paper from the cruise, and you can kind of see Carnival Cruise and all this different information that if you look closely, it brings back the memories of like what cabin and what table number, the different things and shows that we saw. So it's really nice memory for me, but it still looks kind of cool because I just painted over it and then added this quote. And then on the other side, I just painted it to kind of match and added another picture from the cruise. It's my favorite picture. And if you look at the live version, because it was shot on my iPhone with live activated, it's like really funny. So that's my favorite picture from the cruise. It's when we were whale watching in Cabo. And I just added a sticker and some journaling or some doodling on the very last page to finish it up. And in this little pocket, there is, I don't know if it'll fit, but this was part of our Oregon trip, and it's like a passport full of stamps, and it has information on all the breweries, and we did pretty good since we were only there for like a few hours. We hit a lot of different ones, so I'm just going to put that in there just in case we ever go back to Bend, Oregon. Maybe we can finish up our passport. That's why I didn't want to cut it up, but it just goes right in there. And I'll probably add a rubber band and add it to the archives of number 4. So I'm moving on to a Hobonichi this year, so I'm not sure when my next Traveler's Notebook flip through will be. Oh my goodness, but this is one of my favorite ones, and I feel like I did a pretty good job on it, even though it's kind of chunky. I still love it. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Bye.